To turn on a Honeywell thermostat, start by locating the power switch, which is usually found at the bottom or side of the device. Flip the switch on and wait for the thermostat to power up. Once it's on, you can use the control buttons to set your desired temperature. If you have a touch screen model, simply use the touch interface to adjust the settings. For other models, consult the user manual for specific instructions. However, if the thermostat fails to turn on, try troubleshooting by first ensuring it's receiving power. Check the fuse box and circuit breaker to confirm they're functioning properly. Next, inspect the batteries for any signs of damage and replace them if necessary. Additionally, verify that the wiring is stable and try resetting the device. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully turn on your Honeywell thermostat.